G'day everyone, welcome back to another episode of Shane Shed. It has been a little while since my last episode, I admit. It has been school holidays over the last couple of weeks, and basically with my time off on my normal days off, I didn't do any car work at all, so just pretty much spent time entertaining kids, so that's why I haven't got around to anything, and basically you've all sort of caught up on all the scheduled stuff that I've got in the backlog, so yeah. Today's my first day of my days off work, and I've cleaned the Patrol out. All going well. It's sold, so that's kind of nice. Yeah, hopefully I just don't get the normal marketplace stuff around. So yeah, it's time to move this on. I've only had it for a year and a half. Been trying to sell it for pretty much half the year, so it is what it is. I've taken a bit of a loss on what I paid for it a little while ago, so it is what it is. I think when I bought it, it was still kind of the end of the COVID market pricing, so yeah, stuff's returned back to normal, I guess. Yeah, it is what it is. But the main reason why I wanted to move this on is we've kind of, family situation has changed. The oldest has got his own license, so he's kind of doing his own thing now. Using the third row. And of course we could move the three kids in the back here, but then we've got just a lap belt for the centre position. So I really want the kids in one of these, the lap sash style belts. So yeah, so it basically means upgrading to a newer wagon, unfortunately, or fortunately, whatever. Yeah, but something that we can fit the three in the back comfortably in seat belts that we want them to be in. Yeah, so at this stage, thinking maybe Prado or Pajero. The Pajero is looking appealing because you're not paying the Toyota tax by purchasing them, and they seem pretty reliable from what I've read. Not too much goes wrong with them. Alrighty, so it is a little while later now, and the Patrol has sold. Unfortunately, I didn't get any footage of it driving away for the last time, so yeah, it is what it is. Kind of sad to see it go. I do really enjoy all my vehicles, but to be honest, it just didn't really gel with me. I don't know what it was. I enjoyed it, but I just couldn't put my finger on it. And so in the new one, I have center spot's got a lap sash belt, so I'm kind of happy about that. Sorts out one big issue, and if somebody's sitting in the center row, they're not going to have the issue with the seat being split straight down the middle, so it'll be a lot more comfortable. Plus, it's also got third row seats, which are a 50-50 split. So, I guess it's time to show you what I bought. And I know I said earlier that I was thinking of a Prado or a Pajero. I ended up getting neither of those. So what I did get was a 100 series Landcruiser. So, specifically, this is the FZJ105, so the 4.5 litre petrol. It's a bit of a change from having diesel four-wheel drives for a long time. To be honest, I had a look at a couple of HZJ105s, and this one was by far the nicest. And I know these drink like a fish, but to be honest, I don't drive it. It's not a daily driver, so the fuel consumption is not really a big issue. I don't tend to go remote places all that often, so yeah, the range isn't really that much of a concern at the moment. If it is in the future, maybe I'll look at maybe putting a HDT FTE into it, or maybe something else like a M57, something, I don't know. But yeah, anyway, let's have a look at it. So yeah, good thing, I really wanted to go for the 105, mainly because of the front solid axle over the independent front. I just think that they're a lot more reliable. Yeah, alloy bar on it at the moment. I'm probably going to leave that on. I don't really drive at night too much, so I'm leaving those two big reds LEDs on there. That little light bar is totally useless. It doesn't really do much, I've noticed, so I'm going to get rid of that. So we're running some old Coopers on there. They're just the AT3s, 285 75 16, so about 33 inch. It's already got, it looks about a 2-inch lift. I need to actually do a proper measurement but it's pretty neat. There's hardly any scratches on the outside. It's a bit filthy at the moment, but you know, I'm a big Speedway fan, so I'll probably leave that one on. If you're from WA, you'll know what that's all about. Yeah, looks pretty standard on the outside. Not too much going on. On the inside, generally seems pretty standard. Got some sheepskin covers on way there, which are nice. Actually, I might go the other side, it's a bit easier. Okay, there we go, so we don't have to worry about the sun glare coming in, so that's kind of nice. Inside's pretty standard, just a Kenwood head unit replacement. It does have roof console, UHF already in there, so that's kind of nice. It's a very nice spot to put it. It's up out of the way, and it's not cluttering the dash. Like I said, inside's pretty neat overall. Pretty standard inside, just seats. Let's have a look under the bonnet. So the old 1FZ FE, yeah, not much to say about it really. It's already got dual battery over there, so all good. Just running through a simple red arc isolator and cable running over there. It does look like I need to fuse it, but apart from that, everything looks okay. So generally, mostly, I don't have to really do too much with this at the moment. I'm pretty happy with everything that's going on there at the moment. Lift is all done, don't have to do much on there. It rides nice, can't complain. I will be going through doing some servicing work on this, so engine oil and filter change, new air cleaner, going to change the transmission fluid, transfer case, front and rear diffs. So we'll do those on another video. It does have a little noise at the front, which I'll see if it comes up on camera actually. I wasn't too concerned with it, it doesn't sound too bad, but let's see if it can come up on camera. I don't know whether you hear that little tapping. So it sounds to me like it's a possibly just a bearing in the belt setup on maybe the idler, alternator, something like that. Worst case, it may be maybe something going on with the scissor gear for the exhaust cam. I don't know yet. We'll just deal with it. I'll find it and figure out what's going on. But we'll get that done in another video. So as far as my mods get done on this, yeah, for what we do, it's probably will do fine at the moment. I was thinking about whether this would need a transmission cooler, but just from factory, like that's the factory trans cooler. So they're pretty decent. I'll probably end up looking at putting an external filter on there just to keep that trans oil a bit cleaner. It's one of those things. I'll probably just monitor temps, see what they do, see whether it actually needs any additional cooling. I'm a big fan of don't fuck with it unless it bloody needs it. So yeah, we'll just see how that goes, see what comes up with. So yeah, if you want to see more of this 105, then subscribe, like, share, whatever you want to do, doesn't matter. Drop a comment below, and yeah, I'll see you on the next video. Cheers people.